Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add resume to LinkedIn profile. If you find this guide useful, leave a like and a subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, the first step is to go to your profile. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Data Privacy. Scroll down a bit. And here in Job Seeking Preferences, click on Job Application Settings. Okay, here, you will have this option to upload your resume, but note this, only doc, docx, or PDF files are accepted, and they should not be larger than 5 MB. Just click here and choose your CV. To delete it, click on the 3 dots, and you will have 2 options. Click on Delete. Well, now to make the resume show up in our profile, we will have to go to Visibility. Then click here. And make sure you have this box checked. Okay, now go to your profile. Click on Add Profile section. Additional. Add Featured. And click here. And now click on Upload Media and upload a picture of your resume. Here it can be in PNG or JPG format. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and commenting what you thought of the video. Thank you very much for watching.